Hi, and welcome to today's show. Well, this is a story about a poor man that wants an expensive hammer. This is an expensive hammer on eBay. I'm not paying their money for it. So, I sourced this for just £4. That's about $5. Exactly the same hammer, just a bit dirtier. How I like them. So, it's got a lovely dry handle with just a few little nicks out of it here and there. Look at the bottom. Somebody's banged it, but it's not split. So, that's good. A little bit rough here, like something might have splintered off in the past, but many years ago, looking at the way that's blended in. And a little bit rough up the top here, but, well, the head's a bit iffy, so the top's going to get redone anyway. Not sure if you can see the wobble in that head, or it's just my fingers, but there is a wobble in the head. Can you see it? Here comes one of the bonuses of owning a hydraulic press. It's slow, it's easy, and it's safe. The handle will come out cleanly with no damage. I've trimmed around this and took about 3/8 of an inch of the wood off, exposing there at the top. I want to move this taper down ever so slightly so that the handle fits a bit further in. I cleaned the handle up using a belt sander and just took a little bit off the top there so it will slide through a little bit more. I want to seat this down nicely. Okay, now to seat the head on the handle. Not quite all the way. Got a hydraulic press to do that, haven't I? Hammer, but hey, if you got a press, yeah, I might as well get it in properly, eh? And this is how far through it pushed it. Absolutely perfect. And this is the reason I exposed the hammer shaft wedge by 3/8 of an inch. I need to be able to push it back in. Right. Now, as we all know, that is one well-seated wedge. Yeah. I wasn't sure whether I was going to super glue this, but I think there's a nice number 1 there. I'm not going to see that. I'm going to oil the head. Obviously, I'm going to get some true oil gun stock on the shaft after a good wipe down. 70% alcohol wipes, of course. Goes without saying. Don't catch any spillage. I don't want spillage at all. So this is true oil gun stock finish I'm using here on the handle. And this is what it looks like after about 4 coats. So we'll just give it another one for luck. Now, remember what it looked like when we started? And here's what it looks like now. And we'll finish up with it on the spinny thing like the professionals use.